subscribe if you like still a brain not so. What's up guys? So this is an update, alright? Oh, I'm in time. The lava event is happening now. Let's go. Hey! Stop to me, bro. Stop! Lagging! Impossible. Did I just stop? It lag. So now let me get wingers before I buy that. Invisibility club, yeah.
Boneca Ambalabu.
Medusa head is not in the 4 rebirths, right? Cause wait. Oh, I remember now. Cause the Booking Brand and the Medusa head is almost the same, right? That's why. Why is it? Stop lagging! If it lag one more. Bro, I just want to collect my money. Are you letting me collect my money? Finally. Hey. Wait. Bro, you need to collect my money. You can have your day off, bro. Take a day off. Bro. Are you thinking guys? How about if I grab my Boneca Ambalabu and let's pretend I stole it. I stole it. Okay, let's pretend this is hiding. Oh, bro. The lag. This is not the legend. No, how to pretend this now? How to pretend this? Oh, just stop lagging, man. Just stop lagging. Lava. I'm buying some. Bro, let me purchase that, man. I deserve that. So I deserve that. So Brian, don't let anyone die that. Man. Okay, now let's see how to put this back.
Chef Crabrakadabra.
Please, Ambalapum.
Chef Crabrakadabra. Chef
Ambalabum.
Crabrakadabra.
Wait, boom.
Kadabra.
Do not mistake this. Let's go with this.
Orangutini ananassi.
Let's go.
Orangutini ananassi.
Boneca Ambalabu. No, stop laughing. Yes, stop laughing, man. I'm trying to steal. This game. Is this base still? You know what? I put even want that so much. Dude, no. Don't okay. Not bad. I'm buying an invisibility club. No, I don't care. Alright, I'm buying an invisibility club. Invisibility club. Boogie bomb. Bro. Hey yo. Don't worry, man. I'm saving you. Never mind, I'm not saving your blizzard. I'm not saving your blizzard, man. So I'm not saving your blizzard. Sorry, brother. You have Nobini Pizza Mini. Your channel is a video that one part is normal Nobini Pizza Mini and one part is lava Nobini Pizza Mini. Shall I do that? Okay, I'll think of it. And the second floor, I don't know yet. But I'll do the video if I have time. Right?
Glorbo frutto drip.
No, not my Punika Uncle album. Boom. Why do I always add M? So let's go invisible. And invisible and brain. Punika Uncle album. I don't want to do this bullshit. I'm stealing your new baby, but pizza mini, bro. Herman, I don't wanna do this, bro. Yes, I know. The mini pizza mini sucks. Sorry, bro. I need to steal the mini pizza mini. Just kidding, bro. Stop hitting me. I'm restarting, bro. Stop hitting me. But I'll steal all of your mini pizza mini, alright? Pizza mini. Wait, bro, look at this. It's Z, but the word is sa, S. Nobili pizza sa mini. See? But we cannot. I steal it, bro. Look at this. But I can steal that. I think that unstealable, bro. Haha. Oh, it's in a machine. I thought someone's stealing it, bro. Yes. Please. I'm not helping you out. No.
Nubini Pizzanini. Boneca Ambalabu.
No. I'm so mad. You know what? You're feeling full base with mini pizzanini, while me, I'm feeling up my base with Boneca Ambalabu.
Chef Abracadabra.
Harap ko sa'yo na
Strawberrelli Flamigel.
Boneca Ambalabu. I'm back. Let's go. Boneca Ambalabu. Smack me, bro. Boneca Ambalabu.
Boneca Ambalabu.
Oh yeah, another one.
Boneca Ambalabu.
I like Boneca Ambalabu.
Boneca Ambalabu. Boneca Ambalabu.
Oh, why are you stealing my Boneca Ambalabu? Oh, that's mine. Bro, you're such an hater. I'm joining another server, guys. Sorry, guys. Nah, I'm joining another server. That server is too crazy. Like, it's too crazy, man. Oh, I'll join my friend. Okay. Oh, he's in a private server where I cannot join. That sucks. Yeah. So I want. What just happened? What just happened, man? Really? Boneka and Balaboo. I wish I can steal this time. Bro, I want to steal those brilliants, but I think I cannot steal it like the other ones. The other. Do you have Boneka? The way you're filling up your whole base with Bombardino Crocodilo. I'm breaking my promise, guys.
Glorbo Fruttodrillo.
I forgot you
Cavallo
can be
virtuoso.
invisible. Look at this, guys. We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are this calm. And
Cavallo virtuoso. Cavallo virtuoso.
we are not brain rots. We are stealers. And stealers are oh let's go. I failed that time. Like 456. Yeah. If you guys don't know 456, what are you doing in this video, bro? I think everyone knows 456. Am I right? Or am I wrong? Boneka and Balaboo. I think that's my new favorite bringer, but oh no way, I just missed it out. His base was unlocked, but he left the server. He have good brain rats, and I miss it. I missed it, but okay, this time he's not gonna leave. I'm so happy. You're the owner. Daddy, I'm getting out of here. Oh yes, Boneka and Balaboo. Boneka and Balaboo, come
Boneca
here.
and Balaboo.
Boneka and Balaboo. I wish no one's trying to fill their base up with Boneka and Balaboo like me, so they don't steal mine. Right? Right? No, come to my base. Come to Papa. Look, just come. Come. What should I steal, man? What should I steal? Oh, that's sucks, bro. Give me good brain rots, not bad. Yeah, I don't care about the glory bow, fruity bow, cause I don't need that for rebirths. Bombard. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, bro. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, he thought that was lucky drop. He have what I need to rebirth. Oh, I'm stealing that bad boy. I'm stealing that bad boy, bro. I'm stealing that bad boy. I'm stealing that bad boy, bro. No one can stop me from stealing that bad boy. This is a bad boy. Bad boy, bad boy. Why miss the candy machine? Oh, he just got snapped. No, don't like me. Don't like me. Ano? That's the name of my friend, but he unfriended me. I don't know why. Oh yes. I stole his brainrot. Sorry man, can you come back? I'm so sorry man. I luckily this thing don't I mean lets me don't lag. This thing don't lag. I'm so happy this thing don't lag. They're doing it in the same time, look. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Now do we have Monica Mambalabu?
Chef Crabra-Cadabra.
And oh no. No, take that. I don't know. Wait, what's that called? I don't know what that's called. So, all seems silly. Okay. No. You know what? I'm mad. Oh, Monica Mambalabu.
Boneca Ambalabu.
And it's good. Let's go. It's good. Okay, now go to my base right now. If you don't go to my base, you're fired. Go to my base. Thank you. Is this gonna catch up to them? Is this guy gonna catch up to them? Let's see. This is an intense fight, man. This is an intense fight. And I want you, miss, I want you to get out of my base. I'm stealing your brain. I think this guy's not gonna catch up to them. Oh, look, my base. Go, just go. Catch up to them, man. They're 20k. And you're just 11k. Nah, there's no chance you're catching up to them. You're too slow, man. You're too slow. I'll see you later. And you're not catching up to them. Oh, Boneca Ambalabu.
Boneca Ambalabu.
Ambalabu. Oh, you got another Boneca Ambalabu. Boneca Ambalabu. Oh yeah, we filled this piece up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Borbaloni Luli Loli. Borbaloni Luli Loli.
Oh. Yeah.
Borbaloni Luli Loli. Borbaloni Luli Loli.
Oh no.
Borbaloni Luli Loli. Borbaloni Luli. Borbaloni Luli Loli.
I'm going in this boat.
Borbaloni Luli Loli.
Boom.
Borbaloni Luli Loli. Borbaloni Luli Loli. Borbaloni Luli. Borbaloni Luli Loli. Borbaloni Luli Loli.
Oh no! Who's invisible? No, wait, did you Medusa help me? No, he got the brainrot. Wow, you're so smart, man. You're the smartest guy I ever. Now you're funny. Let's get together. These two is the same speed. But they're faster than that. Let's go! Are there more Boneca Ambalabu? If there's more, Let me have it. Let me have that, bro. Let me have that, bro. Nah, bro. Let me have that, bro. Oh, Fishman. No, you have aura. You have aura, man. You have aura, man. No way. No way. You got all of the. You have all of the. Huh? The. 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 Rough time. Rough time. You full of the aura. Okay, let me stop being cringe. But now I think I need to be invisible and just wait for Boneka and Balamoo. Knowing the rise in a throw that Lila spanned. Bro, I don't know how to say his brain right now. Oh, tum 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 somewhere. Well,
Chef
I need your
Crabrakadabra.
help.
Chef Crabrakadabra.
I'll tell you later, alright? I'll tell you later.
Chef Crabrakadabra.
Oh, give it back! Huh. You
Ballerina
seriously
cappuccino.
stole it?
Berrini Octopusini.
Oh, Boneka and Balaboom! I'll have that.
Boneca
I don't
Ambalabu.
need Nubini Piccanini. Alright, I don't need Nubini Piccanini, bro. Who needs Nubini Piccanini? That's only for newbies. And I'm not a newbie. Let's take off my invisibility cloak. Okay, bro. Maybe I got.
Cacto hippopotam.
No way, no one saw this rainbow. No way, no one saw.
Gorillo watermelon tree.
No, no, I did not saw that.
Gorillo watermelon tree. Gorillo watermelon tree. Gorillo watermelon tree. Gorillo watermelon tree.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man, for the
Gorillo
ring.
watermelon tree.
I'm never
Gorillo
giving that.
Gorillo watermelon
No,
tree.
I'm never giving this
Gorillo
up, man.
watermelon tree. Watermelon tree. Watermelon tree. Gorillo watermelon tree.
Taking the soda. What? Are they blind? I'm never selling this. I quit. I'm not making this anymore. I'm not killing my hoodies with Monica Balamoo. Okay, I don't know how to build back guys. But guys, don't forget to subscribe guys. And if you don't know guys, I have a friend named AJ. But guys, please go subscribe to him. His name is AJ629. He's a golfer by the way. Just go friend him. Yeah. Just go friend him guys. Don't worry, he don't mean harm. Or do he mean harm? Still guys, he don't mean harm. Okay, he just likes Thanos from Squid Game. He's acting like Thanos from Squid Game, guys. No! I saw another rainbow. Why are they not getting rainbows? I just saw a rainbow mist. How? Oh, I think they don't have enough money for it. Am I the richest guy in the server? Okay, let me just check it really quick. Oh no, someone have a billion, okay? Billion, you heard me right. A billion, and they didn't even get the rainbow. I'm protecting this. No one's stealing this. If someone steals this, I'm gonna show them. That's rare. That's rare. Yeah. I need that for leverage. I need that for
Orangutini
invisible.
ananassi, orangutini
How did
ananassi,
you know I got
orangutini ananassi, orangutini ananassi, orangutini ananassi, orangutini ananassi, orangutini ananassi, orangutini ananassi.
Oh no, I saw a rainbow. These servers have 2 times luck, man. We always get rainbow. And they just miss out. Bonita and Balaboo. There's no way I gotta. No worries, man, I'll help you. Never, man. You don't need my help.
Orangutini ananassi,
Whoa.
orangutini ananassi,
No way, I got a rainbow. I just got 3 of them, right? Yes, not that much. I know. I have a lot of them. Just kidding. Wait. Huh?
You kick your head in? Then why are you so loud? Your mother's in the room with you. Why are you so damn loud? Huh? Do you have an answer? Are you going to do it again? Good. Hey, get quiet. What is up with you? Don't you think of other people? Look at me. Do you think of other people when you're around them and tell them other people things? And they act as if they're hurting?